Ceramic coating your car and your wheels can be one of the best protections that you can put on your vehicle. So this customer chose to do the same thing for these Forgiato wheels and the 2015 Bentley Flying Spur. So I started off with the wheels first. So guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in today. I am doing ceramic coating on this Bentley completely. So I started off with the wheels. In today's video, you will see how the wheels get ceramic coated, and these wheels were really hard to work on, but I got them done just right. The customer reached out that if I could ceramic coat the Bentley with the wheels, and he said that he has these $10,000 Forgiato that are powder coated white, and I requested that if he could take the wheels off, we could ceramic coat the barrels inside as well, and that would make the wash process really easy. These wheels were really hard to clean and ceramic coat because there is about 40 to 45 spokes in each wheel, and there is not much space for the brushes to work, but I got this wheels done. The whole process took about 4 hours. That included washing and ceramic coating the wheels. So guys, if you are a detailer and you come across powder coated wheels, make sure to use as gentle chemicals as possible because these wheels can get damaged. So all I used was PNS brake buster and I used iron remover, but I did not let the iron remover dwell on it for too long, just for 30 to 45 seconds, and I washed them off, and this did the trick. The coating of choice today is Adam's graphene ceramic coating, which is actually one of my favorites ceramic coating. I really enjoy working with this coating, and this is a multi-surface coating, so you can actually apply on the wheels as well. And in the end, you will see a video where I show how the water is beading off, because I was able to go back and detail the wheels a few days later to make sure everything was working well. And this video is just about the wheels. The next one coming up is where I will ceramic coat the Bentley, and I will show you what the customer had in his garage, and that collection is amazing. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And just like always guys, I will definitely see you on the next one when I ceramic coat the Bentley Flying Spur.